Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we will see what is top-on function in DAX, and we will also see a use case to how to use this function in our report. So let us consider we are having a business question where we want to show the top 5 customers with respect to their total revenue. So we will see how this top-on function which helps to return the top n rows with respect to the measure or the columns. So let's see how it is used inside our Power BI desktop. So now we are inside Power BI desktop. So before solving our business question, let us understand how this top on function works inside our Power BI. So if you see our tables, we have these tables which are related to an electronic store data set, and I have this employee hierarchy table. So this is our table. We have 11 records in this table. So now let's say if I want to create a new table only with this top row. So in that case, let's see how this top one function works. So I will create a new table here, and let me give a title like top n. So I'll use my top n function here. So if you see the syntax for this top n function, it returns a table as an output by extracting the top rows from the given table and also with respect to the given expression. So let us see how it works. So for example, I just want to bring the top row from my employee table. So for the n value, I will just give 1 since I just want the top first row alone, and I will extract it from my employee table. So I will close this function. So now it returns a table. So you can see that this top one function which returns the top first row from my employee table. So this is how we can use this top one function to return the top rows from the given table. So now let's rewrite my top one function. So now let us bring the top row from my sales table with respect to the total sales. So in the table field, I will mention my store sales table, and I will include my total sales measure. So now this top one function which return the top first row which has the highest sales in it. So let me save this measure. So now you can see the result. It gives us the table. So this is the order which has the total highest revenue in my sales table. So I can also bring top 5 rows with respect to total sales. And you can see now that we got the top 5 orders with most revenue or sales. So this is how we can get the top rows from the given table with respect to specific calculations. So now let us solve our business use case. So the business question which we want to solve for this use case is we want to get the top 5 customers with the most number of sales. So let me rewrite my function here. So I will give my n value like 5, and I want to get the top rows from my customer table. And the calculation is I want to get the customer list with respect to my total sales calculation. So now this will give me the top 5 customers who has most sales. So let me save this function. So now you can see that these are all my top 5 customers who has most number of sales. So this is how we can use this TOPN function to return the top rows from the given table. So I hope you understood how to use this TOPN function inside Power BI to return the top rows from any given table. And thanks for watching this video.